Welcome back to the channel. I want to show you guys a trick with the color warper. If we click on the color warper and we have a node, I just realized if you have your qualifier on, you can actually click and drag. So once you've clicked on a sample and you start dragging, if you look at the color warper down below, we can actually change the entire look of the wall. Or if we wanted to adjust skin tone, we could grab that and start dragging. So it's in relation to where it's sitting in the color warper here. So if we wanted it a little warmer, we could grab it and start dragging. And if we can't highlight it because it's not really a qualifier, well, let's try it with the brick here. So we click and drag. Anything with that pixel value, you could look at her hair and skin tone. You could see it starts changing. So it's not good for an isolated color. Let's go ahead and reset it. Like right now, there's some exposure and she's a little pale looking. So we would do some things with just the overall. But just by grabbing this pixel, we can start manipulating the color of the background. I thought that was a cool feature of the color warper. Normally I go in and grab a region, maybe go central and kind of do an overall. But I didn't realize you can just use the picker inside this color warper. And that's just with this arrow tool left on. And so let's say we wanted to change the color of the shirt here. We could grab that and make it a little bit different of a color. Of course, this starts adjusting skin tone, but also kind of helps with the white balance. But yeah, you can click and drag with the color warper, which works like the qualifier inside the tool. Normally, I never went up to the screen here. And for our overlay tools, I just have the qualifier selected. And since we chose color warper, it's now defaulting and you can see it in the diagram down below. If I click over part of the image, it'll go to whatever it thinks that pixel value is inside the color warper. So that's a pretty cool trick to change some things within the color warper without using the grid here. All right, thanks for watching. I'll see you guys on the next one.